Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I produce videos on the latest technologies, job vacancies, and scholarships and fellowships from different universities in different countries. In the present video, I would like to talk about physics at tiniest scale. Could explain impossible black holes. Until recently, scientists had ever detected black holes in the mass gap. Now, particle physicists are exploring ideas beyond standard model that could explain them. On May 21st, 2019, a ripple in the space-time altered scientists to what they thought was an impossible event, a collision between two black holes that should not have existed. The LIGO and Virgo gravitational wave observatories had witnessed over a dozen black hole collisions. But this merger was a different one. Both black holes were situated in the mass gap, a range of masses that for black holes should be forbidden. Black holes from when stars collapse at the end of their lives, but they must be big enough stars. The smallest ones become white dwarfs or neutron stars instead. While a star leaves the nuclear reactions and radiation in its interior provide an outward pressure that balances the inward pull of its gravity. When in the cores of larger stars, high densities and temperatures trigger the creation of electron-positron pairs, resulting in a more powerful explosion called a pair instability supernova. While a star lives, the nuclear reactions and radiation in its interior provide an outward pressure that balances the inward pull of its gravity. When that balance is lost, a core collapse supernova can leave behind a black hole with at most 50 times the mass of the sun. These electron-positron pairs provide gravity but no pressure, so the star starts to collapse prematurely, says Zuna Kroon, a postdoc at Triumph in Canada. The star becomes so hot that you can start to do nuclear reactions with the oxygen in the core. Then, because the oxygen burns, you have this immediate explosion and you are left with nothing. No remnant, no black hole. The most massive stars meet at another end. They can bypass the explosion to collapse into a black hole weighing at least 120 solar masses. So a black hole can form with a mass less than about 50 or more than 120 times that of the sun. But no known mechanism allows a dying star to become a black hole with a mass in the gap between. Yet the gravitational waves spotted by LIGO and Virgo revealed black holes weighing 66 and 85 solar masses. For months, the scientists thought, well, they just haven't estimated the masses correctly. This can't be in the gap. There is no such thing as a black hole in the gap, says Maya Fishbash, a postdoc at Northwestern University and a member of LIGO collaboration. But the calculations held up. The discovery has sparkled a flurry of proposed explanations. Some are purely astrophysical. Maybe the two black holes that merged were, in turn, the children of pair mergers, or perhaps they were born below the mass gap and grew by gobbling up nearby objects. Scientists have questioned the LIGO or Virgo analysis, the proposing institute that the larger black hole sits above the gap and the smaller below it. But other scenarios explored by Kroon and colleagues in a new paper on the ARXIV preprint server look for an explanation at the tiniest scale, particle physics beyond the standard model. Particles that are candidates for dark matter, they the mysterious substance that forms 85% of the universe's matter could also affect the inner workings of stars. For instance, photons could occasionally transform into hidden photons that interact very weakly with ordinary matter and have a tiny but non-zero mass. While ordinary photons are continually absorbed and re-emitted with a star, hidden photons would escape unscathed, carrying away some of the star's energy. The extra the extra loss of energy would set off a little bit of a Rube Goldberg type thing, says co-author Sam McDermott, a theorist at the US Department of Energy's Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory. The star would burn through its helium faster, which simulations suggest would give the star less oxygen in its old age. Having less oxygen, the star would need a larger mass to cross the threshold for a pair instability supernova. Thus, black holes heavier than 50 solar masses could form. Other hypothesized particles could axions would have a similar effect. The presence of weakly interacting particles would affect more than just the final phase of a star's life. As a result, scientists can use astrophysical observations place limits and who is currently limits on the properties of these theoretical particles, says Masha Barkakhtar, who is currently investigating axions and hidden photons at New York University and was not involved with the new paper. Barkakhtar questions whether new particles interactions could significantly shift black hole masses while remaining complete with observations of all types of stars. But if the particles have the right mass, McDermott says, they could be created only in massive hot stars, so undiscovered particles cannot be ruled out as the reason we see these seemingly impossible black holes. It's tantalizing. It is tantalizing that through simulating the evolution of these early stars, you could learn about the tiniest particles that have been proposed. Kroon says we are using very large black holes to study very small particles, and the scientist just thinks that is fascinating. Another of the team's proposals hinges not on extra particles but on extra spatial dimensions. Physicists have long speculated that in addition to the three dimensions we see, more dimensions could lie curled up at the subatomic scale. If these dimensions are large enough, every form energy from interiors of stars could leak into them. You can think of these larger extra dimensions as Tupperware containers, says Ronald Gamble, a postdoc at the National Strategic Research Institute, who studies extensions of general relativity and was not involved with the new network. After we have finished your main meal that exists in the three dimensions, you can put your leftover food in them to save for later. That's what we believe gravity may be doing. In contrast to hidden particles carrying energy from the star, the extra dimensions would hide energy within the star, but the result would be the same. Both the lower and the upper bounds of the mass gap would increase. A third possibility, modified gravity, would overturn an assumption held by both Isaac Newton and Albert Einstein. The inherent strength of gravity, instead of being constant throughout the entire universe,